Pain is the essence, the game is a lesson. Violate us, a mistake, keep it mecking. I don't know about fading, I just aim for progression. Anytime I get up on that stage, it's a blessing. R.I.P. Cadet, I know he's laid up in heaven. Free all of my niggas in a cage for a sentence. Still up in the hood where niggas hate when you get blood stains on the weapon.
It has to be hurdled. Like, when you're chasing your dream, it's not meant for everyone. It's not meant for the people that need that smooth road. And there has to be something to counteract you chasing your dream, innit? And these are the small things you're meant to grind harder. Like you're meant to. It's just meant to be harder, bro.
Before I trust a whore, I'll probably cut my throat. Even though it's raining throughout August, I'm still giving you that summer flow. My little homie still doing a stretch, but he ain't touching toes. Cause he always playing with them sticks like when them drummers roll. Free him. The scene keep pushing music with no meaning. Clout chasers killing the game. Nowadays, drill ain't the same. Look, I'm a dinosaurius, that's why there's big in my name. R.I.P. the fallen soldiers, hope I see him again. Yo, I fell up with my nigga, used to eat with him. Used to have this dream with him. Drew me out on situations, I was there to bleed with him. Saw his dad the other day and I couldn't even speak with him. Bro, this shit gets deeper, yo, it's hard when you the realest. I try to let go of my feelings from a borough where the hood want you to win until you win. And niggas asking for a bringing at my table when there's nothing that you bringing. Yo, there's nothing that you brought. I'm Stone's finest, give a fuck about what you thought. Still got hunger, still got pain in me. I know you taking notes, but I hope you see the change in me. Shit, I said I know you taking notes, but I hope you see the change in me. They try mistaking me, but ain't nobody breaking me. Bullet in my back, but I still stand. Where's my ovation, please? Fuck it, I don't need your praise. Times I couldn't sleep for days. Now I'm sipping Cristal and Dom Pino E&J. I was in the gym doing flies up in Peter May. Now it's first class on them flights, I'm eating steak. You a friend or a foe, keep your enemies close. I show them love but niggas hate, that's where the jealousy shows. Niggas hungry for my cake, I share my bread with my bros. All this money on my plate, but I ain't settling dough. I love my mum because she prays, so I ain't never alone. I love my pops, he's self-made and he the head of the home. And yo, from young I've been a man, I got this bread on my own. All this blood and tear, you see the sweat on my clothes. Dad, you best protect your crown, cause I'm a threat to the phone. You know the game, that nigga John got back for pebble in snow. Time heals, now it doesn't, cause I'm still pissed. All this money, but I'm stressing, I don't feel rich. I got shot the same time, I was about to kill shit. 1 week in hospital, I came out and killed shit. And I put out on my mama, I've been cooking up all summer. I done took this to 100, was a rookie on a come up. And niggas took advantage, had me blindsided. Had to lose some brothers just to find guidance. For real, I was handling more hoes than them firefighters. But I found myself a baddie, I just might. But money's still the motivation. MLB, that's no debating. See them niggas chasing pussy, why it ain't a dough you chasing? I can't rest until I see about 100 mil. Presidential on my wrist, that's how Obama feel. You my shorty, I'ma spoil you, I want half the bill. I say my music too raw, so I ain't trying still. I'm like all these labels don't know how to market real. I'm from the same hood as Spray, you know we hard to kill. Shit. If I hurt you, girl, I'm sorry, I didn't mean it. Sipping Henny, I've been all up in my feelings. I can't sleep, I'm having nightmares when I'm dreaming. Nearly lost my life, I'm still here for a reason. Yeah. You from the streets, I know you came up from the jungle. They didn't know we made it through the struggle. And bro, she told me when you win, it's best you keep it humble. Cause when you get the bag, they pray you fumble.